Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another Honorable Assets Market Review with yours truly, Sir William. We're going to keep this. I know usually I'll go through a bunch of altcoins. It's the beginning of the month, the 5th. This is my bi-weekly update, and I usually do this at the beginning of the month, but I've had a really hectic week with just work going on, baseball. So I'm getting a new monthly review update out a little bit later, but we're doing it regardless. All right. So monthly time frame Bitcoin, and I think we might just stick to Bitcoin and keep it sweet and brief. You have this is just a support and resistance flip retest thus far, right? And I'm not going to go into details of macro cycles. You can watch my how to financially take advantage of Bitcoin video that explains all that. But I mean, higher time frames, we have our resistance, broke through, retest. I mean, classic textbook. Can't go wrong with that. Weekly time frame. I have positions looking for longs on the weekly. Ideally, we get somewhere in here. Hold on, this is our monthly support zone. This is our weekly support zone right here. I would love, and I've been trying to catch a bid, how on this monthly we have our resistance, breakthrough, retest of support. This is what I'm looking to play kind of on this weekly time frame right here, right? I mean, we made our higher high. Ideally, you don't want this zone to break down here. I mean, if we come for these lows and break that, that's just bad news. But another bank failure going on, and Bitcoin is still holding up. Retesting that 8 EMA. There's a lot of support here on this flip between the WMA 200. I personally do not want this to close below the 200. I mean, anything could happen. Nobody knows what's going on. But I just would hate to see this be a deviation. And we do one of these numbers where we come down, retest this WMA 200 support, and at least come down here. If we lose this, I mean, that's just bad news, you know? I don't want to give you the extreme bullish case, but ideally, we catch our bids here, test this support. Maybe we do a little consolidate, fake out, swing failure pattern, come up, retest, and up here, I've been ideally trying to catch a bid for a high time frame swing pattern. I mean, I really like taking it to this target right here. What price is this? 47, 50K area. I'm sure if you see other traders, they're speaking about that high time frame resistance. And I've made the analogy in the last bi-weekly update about how this could play out similar to a 2019 scenario. These are all just potentials. I'm still looking to catch a bid. I mean, let me open up my trading account. Hold on. I'll even tell you directly where I have my buy limit set. I have 25, 200, all the way down to 24, 300 about. So you have 24, 300, all the way up to 25, 200. This purple box is what I'm looking to play, you know? We close down here. I'm down to cut my losses. You got to cut your losses, but I want to give this some room to breathe. I feel like this is some good SR flip here, you know? But yeah, we lose this, man. I'm not really I'm not really digging that. I have my stop loss somewhere down here, right? Now, one thing that I notice on the daily is we have a little awkward, like, heads and, oh no, that's not it. That's not the pattern I'm looking for. Let's get rid of that. This is what we're looking at. You know, got a little, little head and shoulders action there, right? So, you know, I like to play horizontals instead of like the direct neckline, and I see here on the daily, I mean, holding support, little deviation, support, support, support. We come down here, right? On this daily, we come down here, break that retest, right to the buys, ideally. I mean, I'm going to keep my eyes on this, and we'll see. I'm down to catch a short to my buys. But this would put us around that zone. I mean, how you play this is from the neckline to the head for your price target, right? Move that bad boy over to the breakout, and you're around right there. I mean, 23, what did I have? 24, 300, 24, 200. It could show up short. I mean, if you were following me from me talking about the buys from the 69, that bull flag pattern didn't quite hit the projected take profit, fell short of like $2,000. So if you remember that, it's just a scenario where these aren't exact. You know, maybe I pull 70, get in a short, get in a short up here, ride it down here for 8%, take 75% of that position off, and leave a runner. You know? Now on this daily, oh no, back up. Maybe by the time price comes up here, this MA 200 on the dailies up here, but you don't want to lose that on the weekly. You don't want to lose that on the daily. That's just bad news there, in my opinion. You know? But as long as we hold on this weekly 200, I mean, classical analysis, that's an uptrend. That's really it. So just looking to buy this purple zone here. 25K all the way down to 24.3, around there. Alright? Don't want to lose that MA 200 on the weekly. Don't want to treat that as a deviation. Definitely don't want to lose it on the daily. Don't want to lose this level. But that's what we're keeping eyes on. Those are the potentials. That's it. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Sorry I didn't get the new month review out right away on the first of the month like usual. It's been a busy week. Like always, if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. We will, I'll answer any questions you have. Possibly if you reach out to me and you have anything you want me to specifically go over, I can do a quick video for you on that. But that's it. Happy trading. Let's hit these buy limits, possibly catch a sell to the buy limit, and let's make that bag. All right, less than a year away from the Bitcoin halving. Let's get it.